It's so sad because we've just passed and seen the demolitions that are going on. And the first experience of what we came through are the ones that we are talking about, our churches. And indeed, it is a very sad day. And we continue speaking out because we know, and not mincing any word, the authorities are from above. And there is no other above apart from the president. A president who says he stands for the hustler nation. When you see the children, the people being put to homeless, people who have invested, churches, it is very sad. And it is just to tell the president, this is as low, it cannot be as low as what we have seen. The people of Kenya gave you an opportunity. Na hakuna ile au kuwaambia. We want to see the man of God that stood in the platform. We want to see you act like a man of God. Not like a ruthless Hitler. Because it is only Hitler who can do what we have seen there. It is very sad. It is very painful. Children who are going to do their exams from next week, where will they go? Do we even ask ourselves, those families? And I repeat it to you. Hizo familia ni kama ile yako. Na tuheshimu familia tafadhali. Na tuheshimu Mungu. He is the creator and is the giver of all. Na vile umeona amekubariki na amekufikisha hapo, the same way anaweza itoa chini. Because you stood and said you're a man of God. And that is not what we are seeing now.